Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya. Guys, let's just unpack on sense of May. I remember I had actually promised you guys good things or my comments new on because I mean I can't do all of them in one day. So and I'm thinking of covering them. Most of them, at least for the past 3-4 weeks, Yeah, just since it's selling the 8 when they decide to see who's gonna represent, which lawyer are we taking for accused number 1 uMusiga Khulelwa Sibiya. Nako-ke sengibona kwabanye engisebenzisana nabo but naye uthi video ithathe somewhere else, i-colleague yami la ku-YouTube do the same things. Bekhuluma nje ngendaba ka-Enigma. Guys, like lo muntu, I don't know what you guys think about lo muntu. Right, lo muntu. Guys, I had actually said ukuthi uSenzo wasn't a saint. I've said it so many times, but umkhaya wami at the end of the day udeserve justice. Yebo. This is why ngithi sila sikhona because of you. Because of uZandile Khumalo noFebe bakhe. I mean, like what else is there? Like how we gonna sugarcoat it? Ngoba injalo imbaba it's like that. But sekuthiwa ke hayi no kusho Enigma. Hayi no uSenzo meyiwa uka hell right now. He's in hell. Cause cabanga guys, like who even says things like that? He's in hell ngoba waye wabulawela ka girlfriend. Yeah, I mean naleyo asikwazi ukuyibalekela, but washona guys okusalayo. That is what we must concentrate on at the end of the day. And then the next thing Enigma goes to say ukuthi even wonke ama-soccer players naleli bhola labadlalayo ene ikhanda lomuntu. Is there anything like that, guys? I'm just like, this guy, is he fine? Some days I'm like, he does speak sense. And I normally don't necessarily listen to him because I just feel like he talks crap. This is why there's like 4 or 5 people who are suing him. Go man. They're like, pastors are suing him. People are like, so I just wanted you to break some ice. Yeah, so we're just gonna be doing comments, guys. There's quite a few Zarata. Hey, I didn't believe it. And what I was saying also is that you saw how they put him Urata there at Mgomezulu's funeral cause Urata guys are correct at the end of the day. I was like, at some stage he must just move in now. Enigma. We're alone. Let's get. So Urata guys, ama comments ngaye, the stuff that he's been saying, and some comment even said Yindaba. Some comment that came actually yesterday was like Yindaba Urata. Bangamsuki Mgomezulu guys ayibo bambambise khozo kamamanga Mgomezulu wethumbonile. Who even says things like that? Akumlanjilo ngathi you can't say those things guys about people. Mina I feel ukuthi he should have just kept quiet guys. Mkhamba akhuluma nalo amashalo wakhe onamango wamtshela ukuthi umbonile uRatha at the corridors zase court wathi umbonile uMgomezulu uRatha. So nje ayikho right lento ayenza. So we still gonna do the comments. Hayi uRatha uyazi la ekhona ukuthi they did boo him angithi just as much as enalento ukuthi yena i-social media akayifuni nonsense, but uyazi abantu bafila kanjalo, but you know he doesn't care, right? Yeah, he's said it before. It's like those people about though it doesn't matter. As long as JP is on my side, you know those type of people. Are they my boss? They're not my boss. Media is not my boss. YouTubers are not my boss. ETV is not my boss. No one is my boss except for JP. Please, I'm doing my job and I'm doing it well and I don't care. And then abantu the way they were so happy for the focus, I couldn't believe it. So I was like, what? Wow. But no, the way he's been treated, guys, to a point where we went Brigadier Bongani Kininda to gatekeep Pretoria ukuthi avalelwe aphinda thathwa behanjiswe eSun City njalo mafana kufika ama lawyers akhe to see him, they can't see me. Hey guys, Brigadier Kininda bayakhona gatekeeper izinto. How they do it? Kusase mystery. Namanje we just feel like asazi, we're not sure not. Siyamsaba phela ngithi manje sonke emhlabeni izinto capable of doing ziyathusa. Anyways, in the comments someone was like bamlayile uRatha, at least ubonile ke. Guys, that's you guys njalo ungakhohlwa ama comments but umlayile loyo cause that's who he is. Bambonile kahle ngabantu ukuthi umuntu onjani, and buka ke manje Mgomezulu's funeral they put him, and useyazi ukuthi they put him bamlayile abantu basekaTlehong. I was just like, wow, guys, all right, Hanabo. The stuff that they say in that court, even him, all right, imdala lo mzuzu. And also, guys, there's a call at TNA. We need to have like a petition and have some signatures there about case 375 ifanele ubuye. We can't be brainwashed thina by brigade yakhe nendaba noma lo uJojo balo is telling us ukuthi they were intruders in that house. There were no intruders in that house. Akufanele nje sivumele into ezomzansi ngeke nje sizosikhontrola abantu. Omunye ene wathi ene bazi kahle ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngomgo. Every dog has its day. Guys, you think people are not listening and they're not watching? Abantu babo kumzansi. Omunye wenu guys was like ene labantu abana case estate. I've been saying ukudala labantu we bury them sathatha usemende sawufaka phezulu kodwa uba lo ulokele khephi isandla efuna ukubuya. I'm just like, bro, your time is done, like phela indaba yethu. But Ubaloyi, guys, the way he's been fighting, oh my gosh, like you heard what I said, ne? Ngubaloyi maqala nje ukuthi why no, Kelly must come, Longo must come. Uvela sukuma Ubaloyi athi what are you saying? Khuluma ngani? Labo bantu never come here. And yazini siyopusha until ubulungiswa sibuthole. And then another comment omunye uthi mhlambe sinida ilawyer entsha. I don't know, guys, but you must just let me know, Nanu, what do you think about a new lawyer? Although there's been rumors ukuthi umnisi might be a lawyer accused number one. Ngifuna ukuthi stronger umnisi. Fine, nice. Sometimes uyatenga yende angakwazi urasa mase semgibela emjumper, but I trust him, sort of. You know, I don't know what you guys think about that. Must we get someone new, girl? Ayi, angazi. Kufana nalento leyo ukuthi ugeninda qamba manga, guys. I was like, hey, khona inye video engayenza, guys. Ngathi loyo akakhiphe igama lika baba kaSenzo Meyiwa from his mouth. Because oyeseqalile sithi ene hayi no baba kaSenzo Meyiwa washo ukuthi ene they were intruders, guys. Please, like, why are we even doing this? And do you know what was crazy? Umgomezulu noMshololo are the same people who asked ukuthi niyabazi kaMeyiwa, do you even care about the Meyiwas? Do you know anything about them? Have you been to them? Ayugeninda, guys. Zini. Yamkhumbula kuMpumelelo Zikalala ngathi ngikhulume ngayi before this video ne okusho ukuthi uthe uRatha was fair ne hayi ubamthweke guys ke ngeke ngikwazi ukukhipha inhlamba zakho na inkulu zingaka but sicose ngalo muntu please akaguli ekhanda mhlambi sihlukana nje nathi sicela ungasilimi sichaza ngalo muntu loyo uRatha wayefe mhlazana okwenze njani uRatha kazaza befe wengafuna umngomezile edoctor engafuna enze next wayefuna ahlale lapha ecourt. Okay, we can drag him to court. He can't do that, Marcus. Is there anything like that? I even said, like, what would you ask him from people? And you are sort of like his boss. You can call him. Tina, we don't even have to be involved. Tina, umzansi, plus people at court. Singena hoping. Ungamphone no nusa hello go. WhatsApp and be like, what's going on, bro? Are you fine? Wage wati ene efuna ngathi uphethwe amehlo umngomezulu. Phela ngoba umngomezulu guys ubegula ehamba. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini. It was so crazy, guys. It's some stitching. Dabukela eqhaqhazela. Ngizosifaka futhi isithombe sakhe la. Eqhaqhazela umgo. I was just like, umbona ukuthi this person is cold in that court. But sometimes I just feel very those courts are cold. And then ufuna ufaka into yamehlo, some eye drops. Nangu bhuti wakho. uRatha. I was just like, wow. Engafundi ukuthi ayolanda lawo ma drops mhlambe in the car or something. I was like, ayakhona nala. We can even give you hours, guys. Ayi uRatha nje kahle ngeke akekho right.